Hello everybody and welcome to today's episode on Grainificent. On today's episode I will be talking about the Yashica Camera Company history. In short, we got here the Yashica Electro 35 GSN. I will be making more videos about this camera later on, so if you're interested in that, please remember to subscribe down below. And so let's talk about the history about the Yashica Film Camera Company. So Yashica is a Japanese renowned film camera manufacturer with a rich history that spans several decades. The company has made significant contributions to the world of photography, producing a wide range of cameras that catered to various skill levels and preferences. So Yashica was founded in 1949 in Nagano, Japan by the entrepreneur and engineer Yoshimasa Ushiyama. The company initially started as a subsidiary of the Yashima Seiki Company, which was involved in the production of metal processing equipment. The name Yashica is a combination of Yashima and camera, symbolizing the company's commitment to the camera industry. In the early 1950s, Yashica gained international recognition with the launch of its Yashica Flex model, a twin-lens reflex, that's a TLR film camera. TLR cameras were popular during this era for their innovative design, ease of use, and excellent image quality. Yashica's TLR cameras were well received by both amateur and professional photographers, establishing the company as a significant player in the camera market. In 1953, Yashica entered into a collaborative agreement with the German camera manufacturer Zeiss Ikon. This collaboration allowed Yashica to incorporate Zeiss lenses into its cameras, enhancing the optical quality of its products and further solidifying its reputation in the industry. And from this collaboration, we got the wonderful Contax cameras. Contax was produced by Yashica in collaboration with Zeiss. So during the 1960s, Yashica continued to expand its product line, introducing a range of 35mm rangefinder and single-lens reflex cameras, SLRs. The Yashica Electro 35 that we have today with us, launched in 1966, was a notable success and contributed significantly to the company's growth. The Electro 35 featured an innovative electromechanical exposure control system, making it one of the first cameras to incorporate electronic components for exposure control. In 1983, Yashica faced financial challenges leading to a merger with the Kyocera Company. The merger allowed Yashica to benefit from Kyocera's financial stability and technological resources. However, this period also marked a decline in the production of Yashica cameras as the industry transitioned to autofocus and digital technologies. Yashica left a lasting legacy in the world of photography through its innovative camera designs, quality optics, and contributions to the popularization of 35mm photography. Many Yashica cameras, particularly the TLR models and Electro 35, are highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Yashica's journey from its humble beginnings to its prominence in the mid-20th century reflects the company's commitment to innovation and quality in the field of photography. Despite the challenges it faced in the later years and the shift in industry trends, Yashica remains a name associated with classical camera design and craftsmanship, cherished by those who appreciate the art and history of film photography. So, I will be doing more videos about this Yashica Electro 35 GSN model here that we have with us. If you're interested in that, please remember to subscribe. And if you like this video as well, please subscribe down below. It shows me I make helpful and interesting content. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.